What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's Kyle bringing you guys another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your own beat, or you can make a music channel with this app if you guys wanted to. But stick around to the end so you don't miss out on anything or how to make your own beat. This app is easy to use, it's very simple, and there will be a link in the description below for you guys to check it out after the video is done. So it'd be much appreciated if you guys could drop a like on this video. Let's go for 5 likes. When you get on this page, there will be a selection of beats that you can choose from and different categories that you can choose from. I'm going to use the Sky Beats in the hip hop category, the first one, and you can preview the beats before you even click on them to try them out. So there will be an ad that pops up when you click on the beat that you want to use, and it'll give you the premium version that you could pay for, or you could watch the ad to use the beats for free. So let's hop right into the beat. When you get into the beat that you want, it'll be a page or a screen that looks like this, and up at the top it'll be effects, record, stop, and side. You can click side A or B. Side A and B gives you different option for beats. I'm going to use both sides for the beat that I'm going to make, but after you record a beat that you want to keep, it will give you a option to name the beat, and once you are done naming the beat, it'll go straight into your Samsung Music library and your recently added section of your music, and I'll show you guys once the beat is made, and it will go straight into your music, and I'll show you guys at the end of the video. So if you guys do enjoy this beat, all you gotta do is hit that like button, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.